Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to customize the Outlook notifications ringtone on an Android device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. First, you can open the Outlook app on your device. And then here you can click on this icon. After that, here you can tap Settings option at the bottom. And then you can select Notification option. Okay, and then here you can customize the ringtone in these two sections. Well, just select one of them and you can scroll down here. After that, here you can select sound option. And then here you can choose the ringtone you want to use as notification. Well, that's the tutorial on how to customize the Outlook notifications ringtone on an Android device. Don't forget to subscribe for more information from this channel. Thank you.